know what time it is. Your boy Blake's in the house teaching you how to cook like a Jamaican, like a pro cook on your yard, eat for your yard. Yes, guys. How everybody doing? All my YouTube fans and my YouTube supporters, viewers, everybody. How everybody doing? Today is Sunday, and we want a time out to do a kind of like Q&A. You understand? At the same time, we need to talk to you guys and let you guys get some background information about the show. Well, yeah, this is Chef Blake, and this is
Raven Blake.
Exactly. He's a little mini chef on the show that you have seen so far. So far, you have done some cooking, right?
Mm-hmm.
And can you tell us some of the things you have cooked on the show?
The banana bread video.
Yes, you remember that banana bread? Yes, Chef Aiden. He made the banana bread. It came out so good. That was awesome. Give me a high five. All right, so the banana bread. We know some of you guys like that, and some of you guys leave comment about the banana bread. Also, Chef Aiden did another video as well. Can you tell us what the other video was that you did on the show?
Which video?
Remember you did the festival, the fried dumpling type of thing?
Yeah.
Remember that? Yes. We did the fried dumpling. Chef Aiden hooked you guys up with some good fried dumpling. They were delicious, guys. I've tried a few of Chef Aiden Fry Festival, and they were nice. They were awesome. You know, it was beautiful. So yeah, this show been going on, guys, for several months now. Okay, we start the show, I believe, in the beginning of the pandemic last year. You know, we've been in the house. You know, we have so much free time on our hands. You know, a lot of our job closed down and everything. And a lot of people, you know, all of us was in the house pretty much, you know, quarantine and curfew and everything that was going on. So we get a lot of time to spend with the family. And me and Chef Aiden have a lot of time to spend together and cook a lot of food too, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you know, while we were cooking, guys, we start off... do you remember when we start the show? We start the show, I believe,
Probably like
somewhere in July last year. I
believe.
believe it was July last year we start the show. And we have Quincy on the show when we started, right? You guys saw that barbecue chicken that he made and that coriac stale. You know, those videos was like the beginning of the show. You know, the coriac stale, the barbecue chicken. We did a whole bunch of stuff back then last year. So it was a lot of cooking. If you look at the channel, guys, you're going to see over more than 80-something videos. So it's been a lot. I know some of you guys that is new to the channel, you may only see a few new videos come up. But if you go to the list, there's over 80-plus videos on that channel. So it's been a lot of work, you know, over the time frame that we've been on YouTube. So listen up, guy. I'm originally from Jamaica. Okay, I'm from a place in Montego Bay. It's called St. James. You know what I mean? And St. James is a place called Catadupa. You know, that's my little community that I was brought up into. Really, you understand? And Ocherius, St. Anne's Exchange. You know them place there. You know, St. Mary. Yeah, those places, my place as well. You understand? So big up to the people in Woodtree, St. Anne's Bay, Exchange, White River, Middle Street, you know, Springhead, Rockabessa, Port Maria. Big up on yourself. I don't know who you are. So, yeah, it's me, man. All right, so in Jamaica, before I came to America, I was in Jamaica, right? As some of you guys already know. So when I was in Jamaica, I used to do a lot of different things, you know. I started off do like mason work. You know, my father is a mason. You know, he's a builder by trade and things. So I used to do like, you know, mix the mortar and them thing there. Bring carry go give them and thing. And never really like it. He always want me to learn the trade. But, you know, big up to all the mason man them, guys. You know, say, boy, I want to make some pretty house at Jamaica. Some of you guys went to Jamaica recently and I know some beautiful houses in Jamaica. You understand? And man, them have some of the wickedest colors. You understand? Even the lime green, which is one of my favorite. Yeah. So big up all the mason man them and all the carpentry man them, all the trade man them across the world. Big up on yourself because if it wasn't for one of guys, a lot of us, even if we have the money, we couldn't afford the pretty house them because there would be no pretty house to buy. But you guys have the skill, the architectural design and all that good stuff. So yeah, we don't deserve no praise for what you do. You know, understand? It's no easy work doing mason work because I'm telling you from experience, being a laborer with my father, you know, it was sweat. Them said blood, sweat, and tears. You know what I mean? It was hard work. You know, anybody who mix mortar before, shovel up, load up the bucket, them, swing them, gone throw it on the mortar board. Yeah, sieve out the sand. I believe sieving the sand is even one of the hardest part. You understand? Because when you sieve the sand, you know, sieving the sand is a very tedious process. You understand? So I did all of that, you know what I mean? It wasn't easy. When I first started the mason work in Jamaica, I started off in Oatrace. You understand? And in Oatrace, I used to cut steel, you understand? And, you know, cut steel, everything. Cut steel, make up the box them, you understand? For the cast column them and, you know, tie up wall bar and binding wire and all them things there. So yeah, I've been through all of that on the mason job, and then Mr. Boy, yo, the mason thing was kind of hard. So I decided, so boy, I may do something different, and I decided to, you know, get a store job. So I started working in the supermarket. You know, supermarket, packing the bag and all them things there. People come in and, you know, you pack up them bags and sometimes you swing out the bag them to them car, putting them in car back. Then get a little tip and thing, you know what I mean? Because back then the money in Jamaica that they were paying me for pack bags, it was like nothing, you know what I mean? But the tips was great because a lot of times I remember if it wasn't for the tips, maybe I would have to find a different job or go back to mason work again. So after doing supermarket, packing bags, a lot of us Jamaicans and people from the Caribbean, you know, can relate it to packing bags in the supermarket. And even America too. Some of us over here pack bags at the supermarket as well. You know what I mean? But I did that for some time, and after a while, the money wasn't great. The tips was good, but it was a hustle. Too many hustle, you know what I mean? Sometimes when you hustle for a thing, after a while, you feel like the hustling thing is stress out sometimes. So I decided time for me to do something different. So after working at the supermarket for a number of years, I decided to go into the hotel. You understand? So I went to a hotel in Oatrace called, I believe it's called Seven Seas. You understand? I was working there for about a year and a half and decided, yo, the hotel now, while I was there working, Seven Seas Hotel in Oatrace, I used to help the guests them bring them suitcase and thing when the guests them come from the UK, America, Canada, wherever they are traveling, you know, and you know, to Jamaica on vacation. I used to, when them come in, I have a big bus pull up to the hotel and them come off of the bus and them suitcase and thing, and me and my little friend them in Jamaica, they ask, boy, yo, the bus load. So you know, so you're gonna make some money. We are digging off each other face and thing, and I said, boy, yeah, some US dollar go run. Man, I said, boy, yo, I want some pound. You see? So that was it. That was it, you know what I mean, in Jamaica back then. So after doing that for a while, it occurred to me that it still weren't enough. The money, you understand, you know, the country is hard and, you know what I mean, the money is small still. Hustle, tourists them then give you money, yes, but, you know, give a like a man like a $5 and like a $2. You know what I mean? That's just bus fare, taxi fare for go home. I don't know the thing already. Box food, taxi fare. You know what I mean? Maybe bring home a little something for the house, like a pound of sugar, pound of rice. I think they really, you know, I really reach now in a life with that. You know, look hand to mouth type of thing. So I decided, so boy, yo, time for me to make a change again. So I used to work at some market before, and when I'm looking brethren, tell me, so boy, yo, you know what I mean, my security guard at the supermarket, you understand, he work for Atlas Security. This guy work for Atlas Security. So I said, boy, yo, how much you make for Atlas Security? I said, boy, yo, you know, I said them pay better than some market, you know, but you have to go through a whole heap of a whole heap of process, you know, to become a security guard for Atlas Security. So Mr. Boy, yo, anything is better than, you know what I mean, just they ask in a hotel and a hustle for tips, cause pretty much hotel don't pay much. And we pretty much have to depend on the tourists them to come in, and sometimes the tourists them don't come in. Sometimes they depend on tourists to come, you look at only few people come, you know what I mean, and enough dog that they were hungry. I know you're alone today. Enough dog that they were hungry. I make a bird in them. All of them want to make a little money too. So you say, look at money where I make, I feel just swing things back and forth, you know what I mean? And it was too much. So I decided to say, boy, yo, a time for me to do something different. I need to increase my income. So after that, I decided to go check out the security business. You understand? So I went to the security company now, you understand, out there in Ocherous and Pineapple, Main Street or whatever. I think a Pineapple then call it so. So I say, and go up to Atlas Security now and what's a bum and fill out the application. You understand? And the lady told me, say, boy, you must wait for the result and thing, and went back there and check. They told me, say, boy, yo, you didn't pass the test. I said, what? What you mean me didn't pass the test? She said, no, you didn't make it, so sorry. You have to go come back again in 2 weeks' time and try out again. So I said, boy, need the money, me need the job. Real bad. Cause you know, say, one thing about living in Jamaica, especially in the town area, you live off of your bank account. Every time you eat, you have to spend money. You don't have a lot of fruits tree or things to live off of. You have to live off of your bank account and thing. So, that being the case, I've been spending a lot of money at the time while trying to get this job. Because back then I wasn't working at the time when I was trying to get this job. Because I have to contribute all my time, focus on this job. And at the end of the day, they told me, boy, I didn't make it. You understand? And it was a series of tests too. The first test was the entry test. I passed that, get into the class. You understand? And next thing you know, boy, the final exam, say I didn't make it. So I went home now, very heartbroken, very sad. You understand? I felt like, boy, the world is on my head. I'm carrying the weight of the world. You understand? I feel like, boy, I don't know where to turn. You understand? And me, a man, I have a self-pride. I don't really beg people nothing. You understand? So it's hard for me to go knock on a man's door and say, yo, lend me a money or, you know, do this to me and thing. Me, I always believe in myself, boy, yo, as a soldier, you have to depend on yourself. You understand? Whether you have it or you don't have it, you do without. You understand? So, I went home and I started study real hard. You know what I mean? Start study real hard. Been a while since I've been to school and things, so I have to do a whole bunch of study, get everything up together again. And then after about 2 weeks, like the lady said, I went back after 2 weeks. You understand? Took the test again. This time, fortunately, I was lucky enough to pass the test the second time around. So yeah, the lady told me I made the test, you know what I mean, and felt good. Started working at Atlas Security. You know what I mean? Back then, I was bringing in about anywhere between $10,000-$12,000 every 2 weeks. You understand? $12,000 every 2 weeks. So yeah, that was nice. You know what I mean? Because it was constant, not like the mason work thing. The mason work, you know, say, boy, you go work. You put in 1 month of work, and next month, there's no guarantee. Next month, there may be no work. So, you know, say, boy, you have to go hustle again, and, you know. So, yeah, having a constant stream of income coming every 2 weeks, you say, boy, your paycheck is there, was good. Yeah, so those are the work I can recall doing in Jamaica while I was there. You understand? So, just letting you guys know a little part of my history. Yeah, so big up all the man them I watch it. Big up all the man them at St. Bay, Rockabessa, St. Mary, Port Maria. Big up the people them, Keladopa, Belfront, Lapland and them place there. Marchman Road. So may I say, bless up on yourself, youth, cause them place they are my place. So may I say. Anyway, back to the show. Alright, now as I mentioned earlier, the show started in July last year. And we have put a lot of work into it. You understand? And YouTube, you understand? I wish I could have more people support the show more, you know, because YouTube gave a requirement for 1 year. 1 year you're supposed to be monetized. And right now the channel is not monetized yet. So I like you guys for show your support. You understand? For help out the channel, because we need to get it to 1,000 subscribers and we need 4,000 watch hours. You understand? That's a lot for ask for, but if everybody chip in and in no time we have more people watching the channel more than what we need to subscribe to get 1,000. So if everybody does hit the subscribe button, you understand? I appreciate that. You know what I mean? If you guys subscribe to the channel and like the show, stay with the show. You know what I mean? If you don't like the show, then you can unsubscribe after a while. That's what I say. So still appreciate you anyway. You know, whatever decision you make, we still appreciate you. Enough love, enough respect. You understand? And what about food coming? What about cooking coming? A lot of different things, different content. We are going to try to check the place, check the scenery, get some new people on the show and things. So yeah, big things is in the making. So let's stay tuned to the show, support the thing. Like me say, try help us get 1,000 subscribers so we can be monetized. You know what I mean? Because if we don't get monetized we have a deadline coming up. July this year gonna be 1 year, so we have to be monetized before July, or else we have to go a whole year again. And that is what, you know, I don't want to do that again. I don't want to have to sit down and wait for a whole year again for get monetized. So yeah, showing the support, help me reach the deadline by now on July, guys. I'm gonna like for Seboy by now on May. Yeah, I mean, my life get 1,000 subscribers. So just hit the subscribe button. Support the thing, guys. And remember, I love all I know, guys. Showing the support. Bless upon yourself. And yeah, this is Chef Blake checking out. Until then, whole heap of food coming. So let's stay tuned and watch the show. Share it, comment. Do what you're supposed to do. You know the thing already. All right, bless upon yourself. I'm out. Boom.